employees. Now, do you have to be a United Nations member? No, I'm not, and I got in. I got in through the association, and you guys can do that when you go to join UNFCU. You can fill that out and get in here. Now, what I love about this is made for ambassadors and UN people and humanitarians that go all around the world. So there is many people in different countries that actually do banking with UNFCU, okay? And you can kind of go through why about this, okay? But this is a very unique, powerful credit union. Now, was it a hard pull for membership? No, it was not. What do they pull for hard pulls? They pull Experian. They don't pull Equifax. They pull Experian for all of their credit products. They are a hard pull, people. It's not, you can't double dip with the credit products on this one. They are a hard pull. So let's get into this. As you can see real quick as an overview, the only downside of this bank is they don't offer business products. But here we go. We got credit cards. We're going to go over that today. They're going to have signature loans. They're going to have lines of credit, security loans, secure loans. They're going to have debt consolidation, automobile, education loans. They're going to have U.S. mortgages, special mortgage programs, equity, home equity lines of credit, home renovation loans, and then international home loans and home renovation loans. Yes, you can buy real estate in Bali. You can buy it in the Philippines. You can buy it in Mexico, Kenya, you name it. You can get an international mortgage with this credit union. That is so unique, people. You have no clue. All right, let's just jump right into it. So the credit cards, guys, check this out. How would you guys like to have a credit card with up to a $100,000 limit? Put it in the comment section below. How about a $50,000 limit? Put it in the comment section below. Annual fee for $50 on a $100,000 card. Now, obviously, you got to qualify for that, but it will go all the way up to that. If your income can prove that you can manage that type of credit line, they will give it to you. Okay, $0 annual fee, $50 annual fee. Okay, this is going to be the elite card. Okay, global rewards, more points. They're both great cards. You can actually have both of them. They don't make you just have one or the other. You can apply for both of them if you want. So for the first 6 months, 0% APR, and for the first 12 months, 0% APR on purchases, okay? Also on balance transfer fees as well. There's going to be a 1% foreign transaction fee, but on the Elite card, 0. I have the Elite card. I love the Elite card. I have a big limit on the Elite card. I'm pretty happy with it, okay? Current rate, 11.9, 12.9. Not crazy, not great, whatever. Introductory offer, 10,000 bonus points. Global, we're not going to really get too much into this. We'll get more into that on the credit card. But $100,000 credit card, $50,000 credit card. The cool thing is you can secure each of these cards. If you don't qualify for them on the unsecured, you can still secure them. So if you're traveling around the world and you want these global rewards and the reward program with this, you can secure the cards as well, which is pretty cool. Next thing we got here is the signature loans, okay? So you can borrow up to $50,000. Minimal paperwork is required. You can kind of click on that and it will show you proof of income is required. They may request more documentation, okay? Borrow up to 50 grand. Rates start at 5.7%. The full approved amount is paid directly to you. Or if you're going to do if you want more than 50,000 and up to 150,000, guys, that's incredible. Up to 150,000, the approved amount is paid to the service provider. So if you're doing a debt consolidation loan or you're paying off student loans, they're gonna pay out these things to those providers. Okay, not much more. Longer rates, of course. All right, and you guys can look at that and you guys can call them. One of the things that I love about UNFCU, which is United Nations Federal Credit Union, they're based in New York and they're based at in the middle of the night they're open. So as the recording of this video, it's 5:45 in the morning, they're still open. Okay, they open midnight Pacific time. And I'm out here in Vegas, so it works really well for me. So 50,000 unsecured right to you, 150,000, they're gonna pay it out to the people, okay? Next thing we got here is a checking line of credit, also known as a personal line of credit. It'll go up to $25,000. You can use it to cover overdrafts, or you can just move it into your checking or savings. Super cool as well. Yeah, and you get member loyalty rewards. I'm not really going to go into that, but that's really cool too. The checking line of credit's great. I have that as well. Love that. Okay, the next thing we got going on here is the secured loans. Okay, this is a great way where you can get a secure loan, like a pledge loan with Navy Federal, where you take, say, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. You take it to UNFCU and say, hey, I want you guys to open up a loan for me, and I want to back it with this money that I have right now. And they'll say, great, what type of term do you want? And then you tell them, and then what you want to do is pay off 70 to 80% right away. So that way on your first payment, it's going to report that you've paid off 70 to 80% of the loan. And then you may have a 2-year loan, and you only have to pay 20 to 30% left for 2 years. It looks super good on your credit report. It's a great way where you can manufacture that loan. Super duper easy. You can build credit history, no application fees, no prepayment penalties. And it's just a really good credit building product. So if you don't have loan, you can also borrow up to 150% of the money that you have in the savings checking as well. This is a phenomenal credit union. This is top 5 credit unions in my opinion. I'm just saying, guys, this is amazing. You guys need to get this credit union. Links in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Smash this out. Let's get this YouTube video trending. Next thing we got is automobile loans, okay? We can secure the auto loan. We can unsecure it, okay? Finance vehicles outside the U.S. No collateral needed. So you can literally finance a vehicle in Paris or Kenya. So if you have real estate abroad and you want to buy a vehicle abroad, you can do that, guys, with this credit union. It's amazing. It's an international credit union. Secured finance up to 100% of the vehicle's value in U.S. and Austria. Use finances vehicle as collateral. Fixed rate of 2.75, and you can even reduce the rate on top of that. No application fees, no prepayment penalties. Come on, guys. Like the video for UNFCU people. All right, debt consolidation loan, guys. Check this out. Combine up to $150,000 of debt, including credit card balances. 11.2 to 14% APR. I get it's a little bit high there, but you can consolidate it, spread it out, and turn that revolving into an installment loan and build relationship with the bank. Okay, they're gonna pay out the money to the creditors. Okay, next thing we got is an education loan. Borrow up to $150,000 for tuition and other educational expenses. A variable rate of 4.5. Receive up to $5,000 of the approved amount directly for living expenses, books, and computers. Pretty cool, right? I think that's pretty sweet. If you're looking to go back to school, this would be a bank that you'd obviously want to look at. Next thing we got here is the U.S. mortgages, okay? They have different loan products here as well. And you obviously can call them and talk to them more. They don't really want to put a lot of information. First-time home buyers receive a $300 credit when you close with the first-time home buyer program. If you meet green qualifications, you're going to get a closing credit. So I would definitely look at giving them a call if you're looking to. We provide low fees, competitive rates, pre-approval, things like that. They do that. Home equity lines. Look at this. Open a line of credit up to $500,000. Borrow from your credit line at any time over the next 10 years. Pay interest on the principal amount only. Home equity loan. Borrow a lump sum of $500,000. Guys, no application fee, no points, no appraisal fees, no closing fees. This is freaking phenomenal. Okay? This is phenomenal. This is you guys need to watch my HELOC videos on how you can leverage HELOCs for building your real estate empire. Like, if you don't know, you need to watch the videos so you know, because HELOCs are amazing. All right, and we got a home renovation loan. All right, remodel kitchen. That's great. Okay, borrow up to $150,000 to bring your home improvement ideas to life. Okay, that's another thing that they have. Let's look at their foreign real estate. International home loans. Borrow up to $225,000 to build towards your dream home outside of the U.S. Our unsecured international home loans let you choose the right path that's right for you. So rates at 7.5 for international. That's a little high, right? Because we're used to, but this is international. The approved funds are paid to the seller, lawyer, or the agent. Buy a home or land and pay off a mortgage outside the U.S. Eligible countries, you can click on that, and you can see what is eligible here. We got Malta, we got Belgium, Estonia, Hong Kong, Italy, Israel. Guys, it's amazing. Okay, so you guys can look at this, but this credit union, people, is literally the best international credit union. I mean, if you have Navy Federal, you need a UNFCU. I mean, you can get a higher credit card with UNFCU. You can buy foreign real estate with UNFCU. You can get a line of credit bigger with UNFCU. I don't know, guys. I think UNFCU is battling Navy Federal for the top spot. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section.